Them sell we out, where them do it for.
Andrew Walla, you don't see it, sir.
Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery.
None but ourselves shall free our mind. Bear that in mind.
Cut off all doubt, all disappointment, all iniquity spell that form against our children and our brothers and sisters in our low places. Go before us at this moment, King Emmanuel. Do for us what we can't do for ourselves. Remove all burdens, remove all pain, remove all shackles, remove all chain. Set our brothers and sisters free at this time. Oh, Most High King Selassie, Jah, Rastafari. Give thanks for the rising of the sun and to the people production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless all and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queen, my lion and my lioness. I hope all is blessed, and as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. Your health is your wealth, and do take care of it. You see me, some my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queen, my lion and my lioness. Yeah man, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell. And there's another one from Lion Foot. You see me, I say do give thanks to life, health and strength. But right now my viewers and subscribers, today I want to talk about violence against women. Zine, man them to stop it, star, and people, some people are not who you think they are, you know. Wolf in sheep clothing. They might look decent, but inside they are a monster. You see my viewers and subscribers. Yeah man, more after the break. Blessed love and greetings for you see the image I hear the voice, you know, Rasai American ears and eyes. I'm here represent for Goshin Talk. You hear me, I say, man, this Thursday, see? Yeah, 9 p.m. Make sure you tune in on channel 186 Sky. Yeah, man, me not telling a lie. Goshin Talk, it's a Jamaican talk show, so for me, very interesting. You hear me, I say, man, make sure you tune in. See? Yes, you can have celebrities like Raga Rugi. You see me, I say, you can have Danny Bless, Queen Lady Gangster. You see me, I say, Savage and Colleen. You have movie star Johnny, Dan Bass, Spooky Brain Tear, and many more. All courtesy. You see me, I say, big up Patrick Graham, UK manager. Yeah, man, this Thursday, see? From 9 p.m. And each and every Thursday, you don't know, you can watch it on Sky TV channel 186, Freesat channel 171, and you don't know the Freeview channel 264. So I say, yeah, man, tune in this Thursday, 9 p.m. Goshin Talk! Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. Each and every Thursday, Goshin Talk. Yes, so some of viewers and subscribers that don't know, each and every Thursday, kicking off this Thursday on Sky TV. Yes, so I say channel 186, all courtesy of manager, UK manager, you know what I mean? Yes, so I say big up yourself manager. Yes, so I say, you don't know, Free Shot channel 171 and also Freeview channel 264. So I say my viewers and subscribers, you want a whole heap of people are going to talk on it. You know the Goshin Talk is going to be very interesting. That's what I say. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Now, I want to get to this point where this lady lost her life on Saturday, you know, by her partner, her man. Why men are so weak? Some men, you see me? Apparently, him slit her throat, you know what I mean, in her sleep, and neighbors, oh, they found out neighbors were hear the shout out and the screaming for help, and boy, may I tell you a story, you know, and it look like say she related it to MC Nuffy, you know, because I see Nuffy put up a post, you know what I mean? And I say, John, condolence to the lady, you know, Quincy, you see me? Pretty girl star, pretty girl. Pretty blouse and skirt girl star, you see me? Pretty girl. I don't know why mankind so wicked star, you know? Why mankind so wicked? The man slit her throat, like in then wasn't accepting it. You see me? He wasn't accepting it that she said it over, you know? Jano star. So I say, I just want to send condolence to the family, the whole family star. Wicked man. Wicked, 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 you know? Wicked, wicked. Zine, and I say, Jano star, the relationship now work. All you have to do is just walk, you know, star. Walk away, star. You see me? Walk away. Man, slit the woman throat, star. You know, sleep, you know. Right now she gonna live for her kids them. And it's not right. You know? It's not right, you know? It's not right. You see me? So right now the woman, the trust against men and women right now, it's not look good start shaky, you see me? Yeah man, so I beg man them to stop the woman them, the relationship now work. Take for yourself, time and time, repeatedly it's keep happening. And not just in Jamaica alone. It happen all over the world. Whether you're England, yeah, a police officer, you know, take a woman and go kill her for no reason. And that is a police officer off duty. Enough police officers in the force are demons, culprits. You know what I say? Scammer, Dan, wolf in sheep clothing. You know what I say? Pedophiles. You know? Yeah man, so I just want to take this moment to say condolence to you know, Quincy, the female who lost her life in Spanish Town, you know. John Star. The man if you stop abuse the woman them, man. You see me? If the relationship now work, walk away man, there's more women out there, you know. What? Love is real, yes, and love hurts, and love is blind, but what? When one door closes and the next one open, you might go there and find the next woman who make your life even better. You know? You ever kill a woman because she said it's over? Walk away, man. You take woman life like you bring her coming to the earth. You see, viewers and subscribers, it's very shocking and sad, man. I when I see that, I just feel hurt, you know. So we have to come to our next topic, panic again, you know. And send a condolence to Quincy, you know what I mean? And stop the violence against women. Stop the violence against women. You see me? You want to beat them, you want to kill them, you want to chop them up, cut them up, burn them up. You see, all those things we see happen when we are youth in a Jamaica and the garrison. And some man feel like say it's wrong, it's right, but it's wrong. And when you grow old and you live in a different foreign country now and start realize certain things we used to do wrong. Certain treatment we used to get from your mother as a kid, wrong. You used to get abused because your mother used to beat you with electric wire, machete and all of them things there. A Jamaica culture, yes, but it's abuse. You see my viewers and subscribers? Yes, now back to this lady now. Condolence to Sarah, you know what I mean? John Star, she lost her life. I'm just walking now. And the reason I want to cover this you know, because on the day she went missing, it came over the radio, you know, and it happened to be it was she. You know what I mean? And one of my fellow co-workers said, see her, you know? She was walking along the description, because sometimes we drive, we have to have our awareness all over the place, a scan. I work with the police them because sometimes the police them need our help. That's what I some viewers and subscribers. So this lady was walking along Clapham Common Park, Southeast London. And the man stopped her, you know. Use him ID and stop her. Say, you know, like you stop her and say, yo, want a search or you been suspected for selling this or smoking this or doing that. So she you know good at take it light and the man take her away, you know. Tell me how sick in her brain him is, you know. Take her away, you know. This happened on the 3rd of March. Zine? Right now big protest are going on. Zine? 3rd of March and that's why England, I can't wait for Jamaica be like that where the surveillance turn up. You see? Surveillance and everything. Make them led to the police and them find him, guy him yard, question him, arrest him. Then them go find our body 50 miles away. Zine, somewhere in a Kent there, you see me? In a John Star, in a bin bag, you know? No reason that the woman just have to walk along on the road, you know, and them go do that, you know. Now my ladies in the UK. Yeah man, this is coming from Lionfoot saying, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell. Please and thanks. See? And share. Yeah man, cause this right now everybody if you are here. Females, ladies, be careful when you walk on the road, not trust nobody. See? Right now them are protest for the law change. That means if you call to a woman certain way, them can call police and lock you up. If you even say psst, babes, if you look on them like you're gonna like them, don't mean nothing, you know, but right now, I tell us, I saw them try to protest right now for the law to change. So if you look on a woman like Jana, that look nice, you know, and sexy, you know. I look on her a certain way, which is a good look. But she would have feel suspicious and call police. If I say, excuse me, baby, love, walk on. No. Alright. Them can call police. And that them try to change the law to now. Big protest are going. See? You see me I say, so the police force right now messed up, and in UK right now, ladies and gentlemen, A lot of kids are going missing. Last week, the amount of picnic are missing, I tell you, say, right now, we have a big talking about it, the drivers them. The amount of kids going missing, 13, 14, 12. People just take them away. You see me? We are wondering why go on. It used to happen, you know, but it's stopping and now it's like it happened and start again. Last week, about 4 or 5 kids missing in one day, and they keep coming over. Description, if you see this kid, if you see that person in this clothes, in that color clothes or whatever, missing. So to my fellow citizens them in the UK, no matter the color of the race, you know what I mean? Be careful and warn the kids them not to talk to strangers and for all them head straight and come home, find back them yard when them leave school. Don't go nowhere with no friend and hang out, because you have culprits out there. Kids are going missing. And it's a real talk, it ain't no joke thing. You see me, my viewers and subscribers? Yeah man, I just want to get that message out, you know. I just want to say condolence to Sarah and the families, you know what I mean? Yes, and also Quincy in Jamaica who lost her life. You know what I mean? Yeah. Sarah Everard, you know? All the families and friends of Sarah Everard's lost her life all because of this culprit or name. You see me, the police boy, you know? Yeah man. John Star. Wicked man. And right now campaign still going, you see me? Sad man. I don't know my viewers and subscribers. You see me, I hate that, you know. Big up on the cell phone. I just want to say stay safe out there, you know what I mean? And mine I want to go saying. Yeah man, a lion foot is another one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell. I will say stop the violence against women. Stop the violence against women. If the relationship not work, walk away. Take for yourself. There's more woman out there. No matter if you give the woman house and land. Zine. Leave it. Or if you can reclaim it back, you claim it back, go court. Go and try to claim back. You know what I mean? Don't take the woman them life, man. You see me? And it were the other way around to the ladies them, because you don't know one way or both ways, but we are telling them to stop violence against women. You see me? Yeah, but I hold it for love. A lion foot and I'm out.
Who feels it knows, who feels it knows. Enough times we got me get hungry. We couldn't go down and show me shot and clothes. Me say shame for that. Who feels it knows, who feels it knows. If you're having suicidal thoughts, try ignore that. There are people out there worse than you. Did you know that? The one and name reasoning. It's good when you and your friend will are reasoning. You can diffuse the feud by reasoning. Start out to no defense by reasoning.
Yeah man, I hate that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for passing by. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell before you leave. Please and thank you.